Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can disable auto verify a feature on Chrome. So maybe you can while you're visiting some sites that need auto verify, maybe sites read you as a bot. Chrome, there is a feature that can use auto verify on Chrome. So in order to do it manually, you can disable auto verify by yourself by click three dot at top right corner of your screen and click settings. Here you can click on privacy and security and go to the site settings, control what information sites can use and show. Scroll down and under additional content settings, you can click it and scroll down and try to find auto verify. Sites can help verify you are not a bot. Click it. So sites you visit can verify, can save small amount of info with Chrome, mainly to validate you are not a bot. This is when on. As you keep browsing, sites can check with Chrome and verify with a previous site you visit. And browsing is faster because a site is less likely to ask you to verify you are a real person. And things to consider, these settings work without identifying you or allowing site to see your browsing history. Those sites can share a small amount of info as part of the verification. So if you want to do it manually, you can turn this off. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.